videos. Welcome to Cooking with Henry. What are we making today?
We are going to dip stuff in chocolate, like
Cheetos.
Cheetos. Why not? Would you eat a chocolate-covered Cheeto?
I don't know.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. So right here to your left is our chocolate. It's all melted and ready to play. What do you think? Would you eat a Cheeto covered in chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. Ready? Dip. Oh,
My finger.
you got your fingers. Okay, place it down. So the reason we're dipping stuff in chocolate today is because your brother has an activity that he is wanting to play Name That Food. Okay, so you didn't like that.
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, would you like to dip something else now? Okay, how about this? So, we're gonna take it and dunk it in there. Dunk, and then take a little bit off. Ta-da! Hey, you wanna keep going? Okay. You wanna do some more? Here you go.
Whoa! Maybe learn to make this out of chocolate.
I stumbled on this job that I needed work, and so they said they would train me, and they trained me. Yep, shake, shake, shake. There we go. Doesn't this look pretty? Does it look like a chocolate?
It looks like a lollipop.
It does look like a lollipop. Don't tell the boys tomorrow, though, that it's corn on the cob.
Your favorite thing is in chocolate.
Caramels. I love caramel dipped chocolates. You?
Cheetos.
Cheetos, you really like them, huh?
That's all I got in chocolate, so Cheetos.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Playing in chocolate's fun, huh? I like it. But usually I dip things that are like edible.
These aren't.
These aren't? You don't think corn on the cob is not edible?
Yeah, it's not edible.
Did you know that with chocolate you have to like temper it and have it just right? Because like I think you'll see some of these are not cooled off yet, and so you have to temper chocolate and make sure that you're not making a mess.
Like I am.
No, you're not. We can clean it up. Perfect. Look at that. You're a pro, Henry.
Ba-bam.
You know, when we went to Hershey Chocolate Factory, I thought, oh, this will be fun. We get to play in chocolate. It was all factory. Like it was all behind glass. We couldn't even see anything.
What was your favorite thing to eat when you were little?
Oh dear. Anything but milk. There we go.
Babies only drink milk.
I really didn't have a favorite. What is your favorite thing to eat besides Cheetos? Chocolate? Chocolate's good, huh? All right. What's next, Henry? We need to make sure that it gets covered because then they can see that it's like, oh, I see a tomato. Okay, make sure it goes all the way under. All the way under. Swirl it. Okay. Up. Get some air. There you go.
The hardest thing you've ever made chocolate.
You know what? Because I dip by hand and you have to make a design on most of our chocolates. And the hardest one for me was this little zigzag because I had to go all the way across to the very bottom. I had a hard time with that. It was called Caramel Brazil.
I'm gonna get some Cheetos.
Chocolate covered Cheetos.
this one. I frosted them. Now to put it back in the container. Now we're gonna try what we made.
You get it?
It's hot. Ooh.
Is it yummy?
Is it yummy? Guess what it is?
What?
A pretzel.
Ooh.
Yum.
Alright, go ahead and put that down and we'll get you your next thing. Oh
No.
no. You just want to eat the rest of it? Okay, take your last bite. Okay, it's time for your next thing. You
Here.
have to guess
in
what
your
this is
hands.
as well.
Okay, guess what that one is?
It looks like a crocodile. A fish?
Okay,
Oh.
maybe. Well, let's see.
Maybe. Is it good?
Is it good?
What is it?
I don't know.
Chocolate covered green bean. Does it taste like a green bean?
Hey, one more thing.
That's for you to try.
Try it, it's yummy.
That's a fish.
Oh. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try this first. Mmm. That's yummy.
That was a chocolate covered cinnamon bear.
Now we're gonna try this peanut buttery ball looking thing.
That was good.
That's really good. That good? Okay. Are you gonna share these other two things with me?
Not the fish. Or the corn that you have.
Oh, you don't even want a tiny nibble? You might like it.
You dipped that one. You did such a good job dipping them.
This is not good. So that gross.
You were
Alright.
brave to try it. Good
It's
job.
my turn.
You think it's gonna be gross?
The whole thing.
Alright, now I can try this disgusting thing, which is the fish.
Do you like fish?
Not this kind of fish,
How do you know?
because it looks disgusting. It doesn't even bite. I can't even eat it. I can't eat that. I can't.